The cash book confuses more students than almost any other book, because it quietly does two completely different jobs at exactly the same time. Every other book of prime entry is really just a list, a place where transactions gather together first, before anything at all reaches the ledger accounts. The cash book starts that way too, recording every payment received and every payment made in date order, straight from the source documents. But the cash book is also the bank ledger account itself, which means that you will never need to post a separate bank account anywhere else in your ledger system. So money coming into the business sits on the debit side, and money going out sits on the credit side, exactly like any other ledger account you use. That dual role is the whole trap, because students often post the bank twice, once from the cash book and then again into a separate bank account. Remember that petty cash keeps its own separate book for small everyday spending, which stops the main cash book filling with tiny amounts. So the cash book is a book of prime entry and a ledger account at the very same time, and knowing that one fact stops you from ever posting the bank twice. Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.